From my heart, yes. This is my favorite machine here. This is actually, it's a really good machine actually.
Here we have a machine that can make very complex parts precisely and very quickly.
Smithstown Light Engineering in Ireland have recently purchased this brand new Starrag Bumotec 191 Neo machine. This is a highly versatile multi-axis machine tool capable of machining complex parts in a single setup. I've travelled all the way to Ireland today to find out exactly how this machine has helped them improve their productivity.
My name is Gerard Henn. I'm the CEO of Smithstown Light Engineering. 4 years here this month of November. It's my anniversary. Originally started as an engineer and then moved off into other roles up into management and senior management. I've been working with Smithstown since 1995. I would have sourced equipment from the business, so I have a long history with Smithstown itself. With Brian, the original founder, Brian King, and then Gerard King, his son, who has been managing director over the last number of years. The company itself is over 50 years. We celebrated our 50th anniversary last year, so we've broken into the next half century, all going strong. Very busy site. We have 2 sites here in Shannon. Here we're in site 2 at the moment. We have 50,000 square feet essentially in this space. And then in Poland, we have another 50,000 square feet in shop, which is down in the southeast of Poland. So over the last 3 and 4 years, we've grown spectacularly. Lots of new products, lots of new equipment, various features in terms of grinding, Swiss lathe, milling, laser. So we're quite adept and flexible in terms of moving into new technologies. So the business here primarily operates in the medical technology space. So that's a broad term, but we do medical device components, we do orthopedic components, instrumentation, jigs and fixtures, anything that's supporting the medical industry. A lot of the high volume product lines that we have here are all for med tech customers, and they're long established customers as well. They've been here 5, 10, 25 years. Yeah. So the business prides itself on always keeping up to date with technology and have the best of technology, and you can see that just from your short visit already this morning. This interaction with Starrag began back 2016, 2017. It was one of the major exhibitions. Brian and Gerard saw the Bumotec on the stand, had a few inquiries, locked the information away in their file, in their brains, and we picked that up then when we got into the last 5 and 6 years. We started negotiations in terms of business opportunity, scale, business training, absolutely everything, the technology. But it's really got cemented in the last 3 years. We really came to the table in a very strong way. We explained to the Starrag Group that we wanted to position them as a key supplier to us. And when we do that, it's essentially saying we're not going to buy one machining centre, we're going to follow with more in time. So we want to start the relationship in the right way, in the correct way. So we visited exhibitions, we visited the plant in Starrag back in September last year. The senior management leadership of Starrag visited here in Smithstown December of last year. So all building momentum to say, yes, we're going to buy a Starrag. And in this case, it was the Bumotec Neo.
My name is Jan. I work here as a programming engineer, and I'm the one who is responsible to create a new process, new program for this machine. The highest point, I'd say, the tolerance. Once we have doing the setting up of the part, so fix the position and everything, so we can the next thousands part will be good because the machine keeps the tolerance. Yeah, so in general, we start doing the part from the main spindle. Once we have everything done on the main spindle, we transfer the part to the sub spindle, and then we can finish the second operation. So we have a special function of this machine, it is gripper. Once we have the part done on the sub spindle, the gripper came in the machine and had the part and put into the palletization, the one we have on the back. Yeah, we have all the main functions we have available in the market in this machine because it's 5-axis simultaneous. We can use up to 42,000 RPM, and we can use really small tools as well, like 0.1 millimeter end mill, even drills of this size. So yeah, it's really flexible machine. I can do strong rough, I can do a light finish. It's very flexible machine.
So I'm Flavio Campos. I'm with Smithtown for the last 8 years, and I work as an NPI manufacturing manager. So meaning I coordinate all the activities, so end to end on the new projects. With the new Bumotec, with the ability to machine complex geometry. That is a great thing because you can rely on one machine to have end-to-end process, because that machine also gives a capacity to us to have less step on the manufacturing of one part. So that is a really good add.
Here we have a machine that can make very complex parts, all right, very precisely and very quickly. It's ideal for that development phase, and it's ideal then to understand, can it run in long-term production, which we believe it will. And that's why we believe this machine, while it's initially marked as NPI, we will see additional machines coming on that will be the production line for the medical device projects that we're currently evaluating. But vast adaptability, functionality, precision, complexity, holding size, and repeatedly holding size over 24/5.